For this video, I am going to teach you how to set up Stripe for beginners. So the process is really simple. The first thing that you need to do is to sign up in the official website of Stripe. So you can go for dashboard, that's stripe.com/register. Just type that in your address bar in any browser that you are using. And then once you are in this page, what you need to do is simply fill in all of your information, your email, your full name, your country, and also set up a password. So once you have done that, make sure to check this get emails from Stripe about products and so on. And once this button will light up, so just click that create account button. Now after signing up, Stripe will send you a verification email. So just check your inbox, open the email from Stripe, and click onto the link to verify your email address. And after or once your email is verified, log back in into Stripe and you'll be prompted to provide some business information. So it actually says right here to accept payments right away. You can add the required information to your business profile, or you can also start by exploring Stripe or exploring Stripe's features to find the right fit for you. So for now, we are going to add your business profile or add information to your business profile rather. So in here, you'll be prompted to add your business type, your business address, and also your industry to describe what you do. So make sure that you fill in all of this information right here. So you just hit continue. You can add your business details also. So again, just follow through the process and the steps that you'll need to do. So just fill in all of this one. So I'm just going to skip this one for this video. Now to receive payments, you will need to link your bank account. So Stripe will ask for your bank account number, your routing number. If you are in the US, so just enter the details and double check for accuracy, then click link account or continue. So what you need to do or what you can do also here in the bank step is to select the bank that you have here, or you can also enter your bank details manually. So just hit this section right here and then just fill in all of this information again. So again, your routing number, account number, and just confirm your account number and hit the submit button. So just wait for it to be processed completely. And now what you need to do is secure your account. So to keep your account secure right here, Stripe requires two-step authentication in order to keep your account secure by using either your phone or an authenticator app in addition to your password, so you ensure that no one else can log into your account. So this encourage you enable multiple forms of two-step authentication as a backup in case you lose your mobile device or you lose service. So we can go for authenticator app again, add security key, and add a passkey. And you also have more options right here. So this is the list secure option, which is situated or stated right here, which is to use SMS. So now once you have done that, just need to go into the second step, which is to automate your tax collection in your sales. So you can understand when, where, and how much tax to collect on all of your transaction. So just select your product category right here. So you have physical services, digital, and so on. And you also have climate contributions. And now once you have done all of those steps and filled in all of the necessary information, you just need to add right here. You can also review all of your information, and if all our information are right, so just hit this agree and submit, and after a few seconds you'll be able to set up your Stripe account. So that's it for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.